Welcome to today's deep dive. Today we're looking at a surprisingly essential piece of tech infrastructure.
Yeah, the physical hardware behind all the magic.
Exactly. Specifically, the Zenty ZT-377 server cabinet. We're pulling from a detailed product listing via HDTVSupply, a vendor that's been in the audio and video game for like 25 years.
Which is a really long time in tech.
It really is. So our mission today is to uncover exactly why the physical house for your networking equipment has to be just as highly engineered as the electronics inside it.
Because a lot of people just treat it as an afterthought.
Right. Okay, let's unpack this. We all know you aren't leaving enterprise-grade matrix units and network switches just sitting on a desk somewhere. But looking at the specs of the ZT-377 really highlights how complex heat dissipation and spatial geometry get at this scale.
Exactly. When you're managing thousands of dollars of sensitive B2B hardware, the physical environment dictates the lifespan and performance of your entire network.
And the sheer physical footprint of this thing is, it's pretty impressive. We're talking about a 42U rack.
Which is massive.
Yeah, for those of you visualizing, that means you've got about 6 feet of vertical, stackable real estate. It stands almost 79 inches tall, 78.7 to be exact, with a standard 19-inch width.
Built to handle a lot of weight.
Right, it's built from thickened, cold-rolled steel plate that's treated for corrosion resistance. With the glass front door, removable side panels, and locks on both the front and rear, it feels less like a filing cabinet and more like a suit of customizable armor.
Well, I wouldn't exactly take it into battle. I mean, it does feature a glass front door, after all.
Fair point, fair point.
But you're right that it's highly engineered. The real armor here isn't against physical attacks, it's against the environment. What's fascinating here is the invisible engineering at play. Because the biggest enemy of any tech equipment isn't just physical theft, it's heat.
Oh, absolutely, because a cramped, unventilated metal box full of electronics is essentially a giant oven.
Precisely. The cabinet's design focuses heavily on strong ventilation and rapid heat dissipation to keep everything from throttling or just melting down. It carries an IP20 protection rating.
And just to clarify for everyone, IP20 means it's designed to keep fingers and larger debris out of sensitive components, but it offers zero water protection.
Zero. You definitely still want to keep it far away from any stray liquids, but it gives you the flexibility to build out the environment with optional cooling fans, shelves, and PDUs.
Power distribution units.
Right, to manage that heavy electricity draw safely.
So what does this all mean? When you look at the product listing, you're hit with an absolute alphabet soup of compliance standards. Things like ANSEA RS310D, IEC 2972, and various DIN standards.
And when you see that alphabet soup of acronyms, you're basically looking at an ironclad guarantee. If you buy standard AV or networking gear, it will fit perfectly without a single millimeter of error. And in this world, millimeters really matter.
Because if the rack is poorly standardized or cheaply built, things start to go wrong fast.
Exactly. Imagine the sheer terror of trying to mount a 50-pound, $5,000 network switch on a rack that is just 1 millimeter out of spec.
Oh man, that sounds like a nightmare.
It is. If the rails aren't perfectly aligned, heavy servers can sag and warp the frame over time. Even worse, that sagging can restrict critical airflow paths, which leads straight to catastrophic hardware failure. Standardizing that equipment isn't just about saving time during installation, it's about protecting a massive financial investment.
Speaking of massive investments, let's look at the economics surrounding this specific unit. It carries a $700 MSRP, but HDTVSupply offers a 25% discount right off the bat.
Plus an extra 5% off if you pay via wire transfer or check.
Oh, right, yeah.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, it perfectly reflects how the B2B market operates. Vendors actively incentivize payment methods that reduce credit card processing fees on these large, bulky transactions.
Makes sense. And because it's such a major infrastructure purchase, HDTVSupply backs it up heavily to reduce any buyer hesitation.
Yeah, they offer a 5-year Zenty warranty and lifetime technical support.
And free 60-day returns, which is wild for something so huge.
It's a huge safety net. That level of post-purchase support aligns directly with their 4.7 out of 5 overall customer rating. They know you're trusting them with the literal backbone of your network.
To wrap things up, the Zenty ZP377 isn't just a metal box. It's a precision-engineered ecosystem designed to keep your digital world humming along safely, coolly, and efficiently.
I'll leave you with this final thought to mull over. We talk so much today about the cloud and our seamless wireless networks, but isn't it wild to consider that every piece of our invisible, weightless digital lives ultimately relies on a very physical, heavy, cold-rolled steel box with a glass door, just trying its absolute hardest not to melt down.
It really puts it all into perspective. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.